Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to make a famous Bangladeshi rice flour flatbread. This flatbread is incredibly tasty, simple to make, and perfect for people who have gluten intolerance, because rice flour is naturally gluten-free. This flatbread is a beautiful creation of Bengali cuisine, and once you try it, you'll understand why it's so popular. So let's get started. First, take 2 cups of rice flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 4 cups of room temperature water. Now mix everything together very well. We want a smooth, liquid-like batter, not too thick and not too thin. Once the batter is ready, keep aside. Now take a frying pan. Heat the pan on medium heat. Brush a little oil on the pan. You can use cooking oil, butter, ghee, or even extra virgin olive oil. Just lightly coat the surface of the pan. Now, using your hand and finger to sprinkle the rice flour liquid in the pan like this. Once the pan is fully covered, put a lid on and cook for 10 to 20 seconds. After that, remove the lid and let it cook for another 20 to 30 seconds. You'll notice the flatbread will easily come off the pan. It won't stick at all. Now gently remove it and fold it. And just like that, your gluten-free Bangladeshi rice flour flatbread is ready. This flatbread is very healthy, light on the stomach, and a great option for people with gluten intolerance. You can serve it with many types of curry. Today, I'm enjoying it with beef curry, which is one of the best combinations. Trust me, the taste is absolutely amazing. Very flavorful and mouth-watering. If you try this at home, you'll definitely understand what I'm talking about. I encourage you to try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until then, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.